Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, I'll tell you if your Gmail signature is not working or not showing up. So I received many comments asking me like when you're composing an email, even before you write any the mail address to be sent or the subject or anything, here you will find your signature if it is added. So currently, if you check my computer also, in my email also, there is no email signature. So this could be for many reasons you can encounter these sort of problems. I'll tell you how you can fix that. When you click on compose here, at the bottom you can find three dots here. See here, it shouldn't be in the plain text mode. Then only you will be able to see the Gmail signature. Make sure that this option is disabled or turned on. And the next thing is settings. Click on your settings gear icon and click on see all settings, and under general, see here, scroll down until you'll find an option called signature here. See, currently there is signature here, Canva signature, but here in see here in the preview there is nothing. I tried to upload a image in the past, and due to some issue, the image which I took from the website or something got deleted, or it got deleted from the server, so there is no preview here. So what I can do is, see here, signature defaults, and this may be in the no signature for you. If it is in no signature, even though if you see the preview here, there won't be any signature when you compose it here. See here, now also there is a issue. When I keep the signature, nothing is coming out. So what I'll do is, maybe I'll just delete this. I'll be click on create a new uh, working signature, something like that. Just for this tutorial purpose, I'll be keeping like this. Okay, here I'll be writing something, my details, name so and so, company. Yeah, I'll be quickly adding a image here. See here, in the image section, I'll be just clicking on insert, and I can just get it from Google Drive, or I can upload it from my computer. So instead of that, what I'll do is I'll be just uploading a picture from my computer itself, and make sure it is in anyone, allow anyone to cast. Okay, only either accessible to anyone. Okay, allow. So you need to give the public permission here. See here, this is a large image. See, just for the tutorial purpose I upload this large image, but it is better to upload something like 80 by 80 pixels, something like short image. Okay, yeah, this is fine. And now what I'll do is I'll keep the defaults to working image, and at the bottom, this is important, you need to click on save changes. Once if you save changes only, then only you can be able to find. See here, name, and I gave the tech answer, it came up with the hyperlink. And if I send it to myself, just for myself I'll send it. Okay, checking signature, fine. So see here, if I click on the link, hyperlink or the website link also, it will be reaching out to my website. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.